Hello and welcome to the Worldwide Markets Daily Forex Wrap-Up. It is May 21st, 2013. We're going to start with the euro dollar. We're currently at 1.2903. We saw a bit of a jump in about 3-4 hours ago from 28.75 to 29.30. We since have pulled back to right around the 2900 level. I do still think we're going to see a little bit of euro strength versus dollar weakness this week. However, we do have a lot of news coming out. Draghi and Bernanke are both speaking this week. Plus, we have U.S. unemployment claims, U.S. housing numbers. So it should be a pretty active week. But what I'd like to see happen is for this to kind of rally back up to 29.75. 29.75, 1.30, and we'll get a gauge for whether or not there's enough euro strength / dollar weakness to push this back towards starting a new upward trend, or whether or not we're going to see the downward trend continue. The dollar yen we spoke of yesterday in regards to this small gap when the market opened on Sunday. We drifted downward to start the week. We pulled back, looked like it was possibly going to fill it, and then it pulled back again. We're sitting here at 102.54. I still think that we're going to hit 103 and fill that gap before it picks a new direction for this week. But right now there's not many indications that the upward trend is going to start to reverse. So once this gap gets filled, we will take a look at where the price is. But for now, I'd like to see that happen before we discuss any potential trend changes. But I don't see it happening in the foreseeable future. Same on the euro yen. If the euro strength continues, or as long as the euro doesn't fall apart, this 131.12 level seems to be holding and building some support for an increase, and the upward trend on the euro yen will continue as well. We have gold. Gold has been pretty volatile the last few days. It's been bouncing around. We had some decent swings from the 1330s to right around 1400, back down to 1360, back up. So we're sitting right here in the middle, 1375, and I do still think we're going to see this continue to tumble a little bit before it really stabilizes and builds a bottom. Aussie dollar is pretty much following suit, and as gold continues to kind of sink, the Aussie dollar is sinking right along with it. We're in a stall right now here at 98.12, but I won't be surprised if the Aussie dollar starts to if gold starts to continue to move down, that the Aussie will follow. And we'll take a look at a longer term Aussie chart. And your 96.60 level, if it does continue to move, would be the next piece of support that I would look for. We'll take a quick look at oil. It's kind of stayed in the mid to upper 90s, which has led to a definite impact on the Canadian dollar. And right now, 97.50 seems to be this resistance level, and even that 97.50, 98, we have a lot of previous resistance in this area, so that's going to kind of be our guide for what we're looking at here. And if we break through that, we'll be looking at potential opportunities to retake long positions. If not, I think we're going to kind of be choppy and go sideways. Canadian The dollar Canadian the dollar has seen strength pretty much across the board, and this is kind of bucked the trend. Usually, when you're seeing strength in the oil market, you're seeing strength in the Canadian, but this is not the case. But if the dollar starts to get soft, we should see this come back down and regain levels right around parity. And that's all we have for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Good luck with your trading and enjoy your day.